Hi, it's Terry here again. Let's see what question we have for today. The difference between a wig and a system is very simple. Most hair systems will be put on in a semi-permanent fashion, lasting anywhere from a few days to a few weeks before you have to remove it. A wig is completely different, where it is put on a daily basis and removed at night. Wigs are usually a full cap piece that covers from the front around the ears to the back. A hair system, however, is usually just the top area, though they can be also made in a full cap style, but still attached in a semi-permanent fashion. If you have any other questions, please link them down below. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!